Hello everyone, this is Inda Machinery. Today we will carry out the grinding test for crystal instant tea. The machine we use is the YDWS serial spin mill with pulse dust collection system. This is the raw material, crystal instant tea. Now we feed the material into the feeding hopper. The ground powder comes out from the discharge port. We can directly feel the grinding fineness of the instant tea. Next, let's check the grinding disc after the test. The grinding disc is very clean with almost no material residue. The customer is currently weighing our materials. Customers are observing the equipment's performance after the trial run.
There's nothing yet.
And discussing the specific details of the machine. Inda Machinery provides professional technical services throughout the process. Promptly responds to customers' needs, helps solve practical problems, and ensures stable and reliable operation of the equipment.